Hi, my name is Triveni. I'm basically from Bikota, and I have done my BCom and CA IPCC. Currently working and pursuing my CA final. First, I need to tell how meditation introduced to me and how I got to know about that. First person is my bro who got to know about meditation in Guntur, and he said to my all my family members to stop non-veg and to start meditating. But I'm the my entire my family got converted to vegetarian, but I'm the one person who still eats non-veg at the time. But thereafter, when I'm traveling in a train, I met with an accident. On that day, my bro said, "This is the first lesson that you learned. It's better to stop non-veg. Better not to experience these kind of things in your life." I'm like, is this true? Eating non-veg leads to these kind of things or what? And later on, I realized that okay, let me experience it. If I stop non-veg, what it happens? And my bro said, I'm just saying it theoretically to stop non-veg. You want to experience it through you because it varies from person to person. And thereafter, I stopped non-veg and I started feeling uh, very good at to coming to my health condition and all other things and coming to my thoughts everything it is very pleasant when compared to before. So I thought, okay, there is something in this, I need to experience more. And thereafter I started meditation, where it's all about cleansing process. First thing is, we need to cleanse our thoughts. We should not expect anything from meditation. First we should focus on our breath. We should see what's happening. I mean, like, what's happening, whether the thoughts are in our control, whether we can able to we are at peace or not. These kind of things. I First thing is cleansing of thoughts. Thoughts, people says thoughts become reality. How come thoughts become reality? We are running out of many thoughts. Is it true? Then I started experiencing it, and I sat in meditation and I started observing my thoughts. It is like a mess, like going on from one thing to other thing to this thing. And thereafter I realized first I should keep my thoughts in order. And there I started meditating slowly. Thereafter I realized, okay, first thing is, we the main power is in thoughts. When we able to control the thoughts, that is the main thing that we can do. So meditation, through meditation I learned, okay, we can able to control our thoughts by focusing on breath. That is a technique given by Patriji sir. When we are focusing on breath, we can able to control our thoughts also. We need to live in the present moment. No need to think about past, no need to think about future. When we are living in the present moment, that is at where we are at peace. Then I realized when I started meditation, I'm like expecting too much from the meditation. Okay, I need this, I need that. And I realized that there is something to clear first. I mean, like, we should not compare with the people. We should not get stick on to the emotions. We should not blame others. We should not think that these people are great, these people are very less. We should not do such kind of things. It's a process of things that we do. So then I realized first I need to cleanse my thoughts. I need to clear the way I think. Then after only the meditation will help you in that. I came to Pyramid Valley. This is the best experience that I had in my life. That sitting in pyramids and meditating and being at peace, being with myself and observing my thoughts, putting everything in an organized way and accepting the things the way it is. Acceptance is a best thing that we can do. We should not comment on why it's happening to me, why only for me. This is not the thing that we should think of. Acceptance. Okay, this is what its way is. This is the way it is designed. This is the way we should accept it. So I realized that. And first and foremost thing, and the final thing that I learned, silence has a best power in itself. I learned from everyone that instead of I'm like very talkative. I'll be talking too much. Then I realized, okay, there is no point in talking like this. Let me experience silence. So one day I went into silence here, and it is like a best experience that I have. Okay, silence will is a best power. It has its. We need to experience it. Uh, that's what I learned from meditation. Coming to my academic record, I am very good at good up to my inter, and I secured mandal rank in 10th class, and it's 93% in inter. And thereafter, when I moved to CPT, also it's I got very good marks, and I cleared my CIPCC. But after my articleship, it's like everything got changed after I'm unable to clear my CA final exams. It's like a failure. When I faced a failures, I'm unable to accept it. Okay, I'm unable to accept my mistake, because when we study properly, we can able to clear the exams. But mistake is on my side, but I can't able to accept that. Okay, this is how I am. I have good academic record. Then why the reason that I'm failing this CA final exams? I'm unable to clear. And my friends, everyone, they got cleared their exams and they got settled. And thereafter, it's like I'm unable to accept. Still, I am thinking that why I failed. But I'm unable to think on the reasons why I'm failing the exams. And thereafter, I took a long break. I didn't give my CA exam attempts. And when I started meditating little more time, there I can able to experience it. Okay, the mistake is on my side. I need to work on it. Then will I asked my bro whether meditation will help in that, and he said, just experience it. I'm not saying it, just experience it." Then I started meditating. When I start after meditating, when I sit for for studying for my exams, it's like it's going through like a very good flow. I can able to remember the things that I have learned. I can able to analyze the subject. I can able to focus on my the things that I'm learning. Through my experience, I just want to say to the people who are beginners to the meditation, just be a vegetarian. And uh, if you ask a question, why we should be a vegetarian, why should we not eat non-veg, means first thing, we are no one to destroy the creature of God. If we have a right to live here, they also have the right to live here, right? We are killing them and we are eating them. It's not good. It's not the good thing that we can do. Instead of arguing, instead of um, debating about non-veg or vegetarian, just be a vegetarian. That's a good thing you can experience in your life. Before starting meditation, just convert into a vegetarian. That's a good thing. And one more thing, uh, don't think much about, just focus on your breath, then you can able to experience it, because people will have different kinds of experiences. One experience vary from people to people. So don't think about why I'm not getting these kind of experiences, why those people are getting these kind of experiences, am I not these things. Those the people who need it, that there will be an experience for them. The people who don't need, they might have no, they don't have any such kind of experiences. So first thing is, be a vegetarian and just focus on your breath. It's not about things learning more. Just focus on the things that we do. Believing in the present moment. That meditation will help to live in that present moment. It's not theoretically there are many lot of things that we can say, but the best thing we can experience through only through implementing it. So implementing is a difficult task, but once we do it, like it is a step by step process. We can able to uh, understand the importance of meditation. Thank you.